Okay, honey, I'll try not to get dead on this. Put your crack on the crack.
Crack on the crack.
Crack on the crack.
Who's on the crack?
Sorry, I am.
No, you're fine. Sometimes I feel like I have to be a mama.
3 teenage boys.
Alright, little boy, go ahead, head on. Alright, guys, go ahead, rock on.
Am I blinking?
Yeah.
Hey.
Well, that didn't take long. I'm an innocent bystander.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna be heading on out in just a second.
Ooh, that water's cold.
Oh yeah.
Don't paddle until I tell you to.
Don't paddle yet.
Stop paddling. Back one. Back. Y'all gotta listen.
I did.
Forward two. Forward.
Go together.
All right, stop.
Alright, guys, I got 3 rules, alright?
That's a potency.
Yes, it's a tiny bit.
Forward two. Forward two.
Okay, I got wet. I'm good now. We don't have to do that anymore.
Get down. Get down.
Come on, baby.
Woo-hoo!
It's gonna get wet.
Get up. Get up. Get up.
Get up,
Get up and get the paddle.
No, don't paddle. She didn't say paddle. She said get up.
Forward
Bad
two.
choice of words.
Forward two.
Where are you going, baby?
That boy said, oh boy. He already quit on us. We might die.
He said, I want mommy.
We only got one mama.
Baby,
Yeah.
put your foot back where it's supposed to be.
Yeah,
There you
it's
go.
so slippery. I gravitate toward the best anchor point.
Woo!
That was like a promotion to a whole
How's everyone feeling?
I'm a popsicle.
A popsicle?
I'm a popsicle.
I wish that darn sun had come out.
Yeah. I'm just glad it's not raining.
Oh yeah.
Ouch.
How are y'all on the front feeling?
Tell me when it's a good time to unbuckle and
You
move
on the
this
front
through.
feeling
Okay,
okay?
there's little goosebumps all over.
Do you want to move to the back?
I don't know if y'all know this, but I got wet too.
Forward
I don't
two.
think there's
Forward two.
Forward 2 paddles. Full stroke or no more. Good job. Look at that. Some of these boys never got their ass kicked by their daddy all day fishing on the water.
What was that, baby?
I said, you were the boat anchor. That's what I got to hear.
Woo.
But the same crazy bastard never told me to swim.
Just remember, I am videoing you.
Hey, he needs to hear this.
Okay, y'all wanna do that? Y'all wanna do that?
No, I think we're good.
Okey dokey.
Our babies are cold. I don't think our babies will do that.
Do y'all want to move to the back? Are y'all too cold?
Are you? It doesn't matter. Y'all look. You look
Y'all look
miserable,
cold.
sweetie.
You won't
Are
be
you
as
good?
wet and- back here.
Okay, sweet.
Y'all wanna?
Honestly, I don't care. This year, birthday.
Do y'all want to be in the front then?
If I start making little girl jokes, don't take it personal. It's just how I handle boys that don't
I'm a
paddle
big girl.
before
I ain't no little girl.
Talking about them.
Oh, you just kind of looked.
They were looking at those. I told her, I said,
Can I get a
girls stop
forward
hearing
too?
little girl jokes. I'm talking about you. I'm just thinking. It's the only way I know how to deal with almost dying every couple of seconds. It's just what I gotta do.
Forward 2. 1, 2. Yeah. So y'all
You're
do
gonna
want to
chill.
do some surfing? Surfing is a yes. Do you want to do it there too?
Looks like 7 a.m. Okay.
Do y'all want to go play in the water? Like them?
Don't put me in that. We got a big boat.
If we put you in the back, you won't get as wet.
Twice. There was no. He's doing that on purpose? Yeah. They're dating in lines and let's do it. I can tell. Let's do it. Let's do it. You're an outvoted, buddy. This is for a
If
public.
y'all don't want to do it, y'all can go to the back and you won't get as wet.
Look, I just don't want to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm into it. No, let's do
Look at them running away.
Let's go. 3 forward. 3
Forward
forward.
1.
That was very
Oh,
uncoordinated.
that was hilarious, though.
Omar. Yes. Be sure to keep your hand on that T-grip.
Otherwise, you're gonna knock him out.
Sorry. That's just literally like, you're gonna be fine, Irma. So how much of this water can you drink before you get sick?
I don't know. They say there's mercury at the bottom.
Cool.
I'm not drinking from the bottom. I'm drinking from the top.
Are you thirsty, boo boo?
Yeah, I came out here first. I've been wishing I had the whole time. But yeah, had diarrhea for 3 days.
So, one of our guys from the back here is now in the front up here.
Yeah, they definitely get some of that. Well, them boys turn that dang high jet on.
See, they're having fun.
They're getting acclimated. Don't hurt them.
Hello, darlings. How are y'all doing?
Y'all having fun yet?
Little ice cold footsies?
Everything.
Yeah, everything.
Let's do it.
Okay, do y'all in the middle and the front want to switch?
Do you two want to go surfing? Y'all get in the back middle and let them get up front.
He reminds me of Ryan.
Yeah, go for that. I don't care. Go ahead, babe. Go ahead. Be careful. No, you're good. Go for it.
Don't be scared to grab that chicken strap. Okay. We're gonna do this thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
Are y'all good where you're at?
He said we need to go.
Do we drown them?
He's out of the hot seat. He's like,
You
I don't
do
care
realize you're
anymore.
going to still get wet.
In the middle, you still get wet.
Do you want to get here?
Trust me, I got wet.
I'm telling you, you don't get as wet in the back.
And maybe not as good. I don't know. Yeah, go ahead.
Go up, babe.
Any hands?
You were saying that now.
Yeah, my tune will change in a minute, huh? I won't tell him you said that. Baby, send this to his dad. He said his dad would be ashamed.
Y'all want to come to the front?
Okay, go ahead and get this.
You've got this, baby.
Forward.
Okay, don't paddle yet. Don't paddle.
Get your legs chopped.
Y'all still gotta paddle.
Because if y'all don't chop those legs, y'all gone.
Y'all gotta paddle together.
Are we paddling?
Not right now.
Not right now.
Say that, I was too.
It's about...
Forward 2.
Our turn to get something
Forward
to
2.
vortex.
Oh, man.
That's okay, it was fun while lasting. Oh, it's perfect.
This one while left.
Yeah, I'm good.
Can I get a forward 2? Oh, yeah. That is it. That was it.
That was it. We timed it better, didn't we?
So it's over.
We did?
We didn't paddle right to stay on top of it.
Yeah, we were too. We're short stroke. What she call it? Paddle
So it's like
dipping?
mine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Lily pad. Lily pally. Don't need no lily pally.
Like, you gotta put it in there like it's your last chance. Yeah, they're telling everybody.
They're like, really? They're all upset.
You want to get wet?
He does look like Nathan. Every time I look over there, I think.
I know.
You said that.
It's just weird.
Are we paddling?
I heard too. I don't know if anybody else heard it.
Well, if no one else hears it, we're all in the dark.
Yeah.
I love you, baby, but you can't do it all for your own. That's how you gotta do it right there. Look at that face.
He's like, we volunteered.
Woo!
What did you originally call it?
That was funny.
That's just, they're like,
Oh my! Oh!
They getting real happy up here at 12 o'clock. They're well acquainted. They call that the
We
dip.
have more places to surf
Like
down
it.
the river. We'll try those places.
Yeah.
We gotta go now.
All right, we're gonna try some other places. All right, guys.
What?
We're gonna go down the river and find some more places to get y'all soaked. All right. I'm still blinky.
I feel like I stuck my feet in the cooler. Yeah. It's like in the cooler. With the ice.
Just so you know, the water is much colder here than it is at home.
Why are your toes purple, sir?
Oh, yeah. I don't know that way.
Follow me.
It may have been over something.
All right, Mr. Bug, I'm sorry you got wet, but you gotta dry off and go away now. Oh, poor baby, he was scared to death in that water.
He lives here. Cherokee.
No, it's little.
Can I get a forward 1?
Cherokee pizza.
Awesome. Oh my gosh, those are so good.
But I'm trying to save the fly.
So, quick question. You guys are in the same group? Yeah. Y'all related? Y'all from?
it's our friend's birthday. We're just all, we all stay in the cabin.
That's good.
We're all met in Atlanta.
We
decided to come here.
It's awesome.
I have a buddy. Don't do it.
I wouldn't do that. At least you're not showing to me with your favorite finger. Can I hold him the whole way?
I'm watching you.
Am I on camera?
Yes, you are. You're on
I
camera.
didn't consent to this.
I did. Yes, you did when you signed that waiver.
I'm a good bet on it. It's such a
Yeah.
habit to be in charge of things. That's really hard not to do. I didn't realize that.
I'm not the
Can I get a forward 1?
Forward one. Look out. You should be dry by now. Just saying.
Forward 2.
We suck. Woo-hoo! All right, I lost my guy. Hope you do. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? What's up?
Get a back 1. Back 1.
Did you get rid of my buddy for me?
Can I get a forward 1?
Oh, that's a big old rock. It's the Titanic.
Forward 1 more.
This is fun.
Uh-huh.
But I'm sure there's a few times I'm going to take
trying to beat you up.
Forward one.
Ooh, I can do it. See? Knew we were gonna beat each
Back
other.
one.
He's like,
Use them legs.
Awesome.
You're gonna need them.
they're not even getting wet. He got wet.
We are doing better.
We're doing better than you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Can you guys tell us?
They said this isn't fair. They're not getting wet.
When you got baptized as a baby, you got wetter.
Yeah, we're spinning a little.
Whee!
Black one.
Remember, y'all started on the 4. They've only been hitting little 3s.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah.
Forward two.
Take them by the dam. I thought y'all liked one another.
Well, that's part of liking people. Give them hell.
Come on,
Guys do that.
you guys are getting wet with that.
Y'all are so bad.
Back one.
We're gonna be sore in the morning, by the way.
Forward two. One more.
You know why they're getting wet? We're just splashing everybody back here.
Yeah, all of mine went down the crack.
Woo!
Pretty sure he said TNI.
Forward two. One more.
Hello, your turn.
Now I'm gonna have to give y'all
Yeah, I'd rather be in here than
the code for it, yeah.
Damn it.
Huh?
I'd rather be doing this than this than like last time.
Yeah, the tube is a...
Forward two.